Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Honda Odyssey Touring. It is a 3.5 liter V6 front wheel drive. See, it's a super clean engine. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this hood, take you for a tour. See, it does have fog lights as well. Alloy wheels. Also has a luggage rack and a tow package, and it also seats 8, and it does have that rear entertainment. Right there are some of your controls and power supply, also for AV and headphones. Also has a sunroof. Let's go ahead and show you that. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the front of the interior. The liftgate and both of these doors are power, and they also have, you can see there's a little tab right there that you can pull up and shade. There's the DVD player back here. The seat can obviously be taken out or flipped down. There's a shot of the VIN. A lot of thought went into the design of this vehicle. There's your open and close for your doors, liftgate. All right, I'm gonna come up here, turn this down so that you can hear me better. There we go. See, you have heated seats in the front. Here are all of your comfort controls. There is your GPS. Come down here, here's your stereo. This is for your CD. This is for your DVD down here. And you also have your USB port right there, power, and your auxiliary. You also have your cool box down here. Your key fob, your cup holders, your more stowage, more cup holders in the back. And it's your glove compartment. Your audio sources will show that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, rear DVD, your iPod as well, your CD, and you can Bluetooth also through your phone. There's Pandora as well, and other apps that you would use through your phone. For your navigation, that is up there already. Just popping up your menu, you got your address book and all that kind of fun stuff. Here's your shifter. Your shifter will allow me to show you your backup camera, which will also show you about where it thinks that you're going to end up if you continue on your course. I'll go ahead and put that in park. There's your push button start. As we put it in park, you see that we have 68,605 miles on the odometer. You also have push to talk, so you can have hands-free talking. You can also control your radio from the steering wheel.
Radio and more.
Okay, and then we also have our cruise control and our information, where we can bounce through that. You're customizing your settings, your average speed, and all that kind of fun stuff. So this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here in the front, which you can see. It turned out to just be cosmetics. We were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.